In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor x squared minus 7x plus 10. The first step will be to look for any common factors, and the terms have no factor in common. So the second thing we want to do is look and see how many terms there are. There are 1, 2, 3 terms. It's a trinomial. We can check to see if it's a trinomial square, but although x squared is a square, neither 7x nor 10 is a square. So we do not have a perfect square trinomial. So we need to factor this by a trial and error method. And since the first term is x squared, if it factors, it will factor into two binomial factors. The first term in each binomial will be x. I look for factors of 10 whose sum is -7. Now, since the numbers have to multiply to a positive 10 and add to a -7, I know I want negative numbers. 10 can be factored as -1 times -10 or -2 times -5. Well, -2 plus -5 is -7, so I write a -2 and a -5. If I check by multiplying, I would see that this is the factorization, and since neither factor can be factored further, I have factored completely.